May 3rd, 2019, 7:07 a.m. Looks like it's going to be a busy day. Gonna make it rain. Gotta change this atmosphere. Boy, they are just jamming. It's supposed to be the hottest day today in Central Valley, California. Some places can reach up to 86, maybe 87, breaking records. Yet this thing's just leaving a trail like nobody's business. Let me zoom out and show you what I mean. Just before I zoom out, come back down. There's another one. Yeah, they're going pretty crazy. Alright, I'm back. I took some still shots. The first one flew over and went that way south. Still facing that south, so I'm facing southeast. May 3rd, 2019, 7:12 a.m. Just to give you guys a perspective. They're laying them, but they're doing a grid pattern like they normally do. They're going to white it all out. And as you guys can see, the halo is a jumping. We have colored sundogs to the left and then to the right. There's one just, let me go over a little bit. It's right in line. It's right on the right side. So, yes sir. Mouth's already tasting like metal. Why would you suppose they would have to do this? This is an early one this time. Very early. Before 8 in the morning, they've already got a coma around this sun. Or supposedly the light. That's just crazy. Let's throw a little filter on it, shall we? See if the filter can pick it up. I can sure see the grid pattern. Yeah. I think a picture's worth 1,000 words and a video's worth 1,000,000. Tried not to be too negative this morning, but I already had a feeling they were going to do this. I could see it already coming. Oh, what can you do? You just show people, try to open their eyes, let them know this is not normal. This is all man-made synthetics. I don't see how anybody can just even drive down the road. If you're headed this direction, if you're driving east, you can see it. I mean, it's plain as day. I'm using one eye right now. The other one's closed. I'm looking through a 3/4 inch viewing hole. And I can see it. Plain as day. I mean, it's even when I use both my eyes and put on my sunglasses and look, it's incredible the way it looks. It's so large. Yep. It's really bright. It looks like it's gonna make 1, 2, 3. The third one's right there. That one's starting to come into its own. Oh, it's giving such a reflection that I'm giving some feedback from my own finger. Crazy. Yep. This is the world we live in now. Never imagined it ever looked like this, but it does. This is the new normal, people. The more I look into it, the less I want to stare at it. Alright everyone, be safe out there. Peace out. May 3rd, 2019, 7:22 a.m. Another one. There's one going to the north. Chemtrail wars. Then look at the darkness right there. Look at the shadow. Yeah. Totally normal. Nothing to worry about. Alright everyone, be safe out there. Peace out.